Hi everyone, welcome back to channel name. Today we're diving into two fundamental concepts in operating systems: system calls and APIs. These are the backbone of how software interacts with hardware and how developers make magic happen. So, let's break it all down in an easy-to-understand way. Let's start with system calls. A system call is how a program requests services from the operating system's kernel. For example, when you save a file, your application makes a system call to write data to the disk. Think of it as a bridge between your application and the hardware resources. System calls are essential for managing processes, memory, files, and communication. But remember, they can only be made in a secure and controlled manner to prevent issues like crashes or unauthorized access. Next up, APIs, or Application Programming Interfaces. APIs are sets of functions and protocols that allow different software components to communicate. Think of APIs as user-friendly tools for developers to interact with the underlying system, often without directly dealing with complex system calls. For instance, instead of writing low-level code to create a directory, you can use a simple API call in your programming language. APIs simplify development while still giving you access to powerful system functionalities. Now, what's the difference? System calls are direct requests to the operating system, while APIs are higher-level interfaces that often wrap around these system calls. APIs make programming easier and more abstract, while system calls provide more control but require deeper knowledge. Before we continue, let's talk about something that makes managing your work a breeze: GoLogin. If you're a developer, analyst, or researcher, you know how challenging it can be to manage multiple accounts across platforms. That's where GoLogin, the best browser for multi-accounting, comes into play. It's perfect for securely managing multiple online identities while working on your operating system projects or accessing APIs. It's efficient, secure, and incredibly easy to use. Trust me, it'll save you so much hassle. Let's look at some real-world examples. System calls are used whenever your computer needs to perform low-level operations like file manipulation or memory allocation. Meanwhile, APIs are everywhere. From interacting with operating systems to pulling data from social media platforms like Twitter or YouTube, system calls and APIs might sound complex, but they're vital for creating seamless user experiences. In Part 2, we'll explore how to effectively use these tools and discuss their role in modern software development. And remember, GoLogin is your go-to solution for managing multiple accounts. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. See you in the next video.